All right, hey guys, I'm Dr. Chris Mata. I am the VP of Marketing and Sales here at Dreamedia. So it all began roughly about a year ago. I reached out to Zach. He was in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I was in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. He was doing things on YouTube. I was doing things on YouTube. And we kind of just came together and did a couple collaborations. But the whole idea is I wanted to help him, give him the knowledge that I knew to be successful on YouTube. I basically laid it all out for him, and I think his head was spinning at the end of it. And he basically the whole conversation ended up being thrown out that, maybe you should do this for me. So basically what I ended up doing is he brought me on roughly about a year ago. He had 8,000 subscribers, and now he's well over 60,000, and it's crazy because he has his YouTube channel, I have my own personal YouTube channel, and he's far surpassed me just in the recent events. So it's really cool and really humbling to be a part of this journey in that, we just came together, and instead of, being enemies, we came together for the more common purpose to help everyone out. So it's cool that he's kind of the more, a little more high energy guy, and I'm a little more reserved guy as well. So we kind of balance each other out, and I think that regard. And at the same time, I mean, we take that into business. So I help out with brands bringing on these new brands to the company, as well as with managing the social media aspect of things. And now, I'm on the sales floor helping you guys out. So whenever you call in, I'm the person that you guys are talking to, as well as the rest of the sales team. And it's just nice being able to sit there and talk to you guys every day, help you guys achieve those goals that you want in your home theater system. And we're different than other companies. You may go to a big box store or maybe some other type of company, and they may not ask those questions that are necessarily necessary for your situation. And that's what I think delineates us from the competition, is that we will sit there and map out your room. We'll jump on some phone calls, we'll jump on email chats, we'll jump on FaceTime, all that stuff. And basically we're trying to give you guys we're trying to map out the absolute best possible scenario for you, whether it be you're budget conscious, you're performance conscious, maybe a couple mix of both. But that's basically where we're at, and we're really trying to give you guys the absolute best experience that you can have. And I think that's what is really the magic behind Dreamedia Home Theater. Well, all right guys, this part of the video is a big thank you to all the past, present, and future Dreamedia customers. We legitimately couldn't do this stuff without you, and we're just so excited to help you guys out every single day. Like I was talking about, it's fun waking up every single day and putting together all these little puzzle pieces that you guys need to complete your system that's best gonna fit your specific needs. So we have a ton of new equipment coming to the channel, and I think you guys are gonna be so excited about all that. We have stuff for home theater, we have stuff for hi-fi, we have stuff for all kinds of different aspects of your home system. So whether it be you like to sit there and sniff brandy and listen to some nice vinyl and whatnot, we have tons of other things coming to the channel, and I'm really excited to announce that and bring that to you guys as well. But that's my time. Really appreciate you guys for watching. Catch you next time. Well, all right guys, so I remember the first time that I reached out to Zach, and then he basically came over to my house. We did a couple of videos, and then